So for this one, again, you're starting out with your initial value, so y equals, and you've got to start it out as an equation. You can't just write the expression. So we need y equals, or something equals 1005, and then we're going to put in parentheses and then the x. We're given the factor, so this is 0.15, and since it's less than 1, it's decay. All right. So again, this column, the factor is A, the rate is R, and the connection between the two is either A equals 1 plus R if it's growing, or growth, and it's A equals 1 minus R if it's decay. All right, so we have decay, and we know what A is, so I'm going to take 0.15 equals 1 minus R, subtract 1 from both sides, and you get a negative when you do that. Negative 0.85 equals negative R, which if you swap it around, R equals 0.85, and then times it by 100% to get the percent, so this becomes 85%. Right, so the next one in line, we know again the initial amount that's going in front. I know it's growth, so I know I'm using the formula A equals 1 plus R. I don't know A, but I do know R, but it's written as a percent, so I need to move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide by 100, which is 1.28. That's my R value. So when I plug that in, A equals 1 plus 1.28, which is 2.28. That's the number that goes in here. Okay. And it's a number bigger than 1, so we would expect it to be a growth. And this for this last one here, it's straight up just fill in. So the initial value is given, the number inside is bigger than 1, so it's a growth. All right, that is A. All right, and then to figure out R, since this is a growth, it's A equals 1 plus R. A is 1.03, solve for R, subtract 1. So you get 0.03, times it by 100 to get the percent, and that would just be 3%.